Okay, Shalom. Greeting to all of you. Where is the opportunity to make this video this time. I will read chapter 7 to fulfill my business English statement. Before I introduction, my name is Taubing and the name 2110417317. And then class M1, subject English business and the major and management and lecture Adi Mursalin SAMM CPHCM CSCP. Okay, chapter 7 accounting. Introduction. uh, Accounting in the business award can be said as the limit of the business because almost all business activities in the world, both individuals and large companies, use accounting to calculate and to make decisions relating to the business being run. Accounting a process that being by recording, grouping, processing, and presenting data, recording any transactions relate to finance, so the information obtained is used by people who are competent with the information, and the information is used as material for making a decision. From the description above, the notion of accounting is an activity in identifying, calculating, grouping, and assessing an event relate to finance or activities that can project quantitative and data and qualitative data, especially those of financial natural and used in decision making. In general, accounting is an information system that can be account for to profit financial relate reports to those who net it and profit information about the condition of the company economically. The definition of accounting to the expert. Uh, Abu Bakar and Wibowo, accounting is a process of recording, identifying, and communicating all the company economic transactions. Paul Grady, accounting is a body of knowledge and has organizational functions that are arrange original, authentic, analyze, and interpret all events and transactions and financial analysis that will occur in accounting activities to profit information needed by management about all reports and accountability for the trust it receives. Kelso and Wagon, accounting is an information system that starts from a classifying, recording, and communicating all economic events from an organization or company to choose who have an interest in that information. Board of accounting principles. Accounting is an activity or service event to present a quantitative information where the information is in the form of material benchmark about an economic body that is used in making economic uh, decision is choosing economic policy alternatives that must be taken. American Institute of Scientific Public Accountants. Accounting is an art of recording, submerging, and managing certain process in monetary terms, transactions, and financial events, and submerging the result of the valuation. And then Kotler Dictionary. Accounting is an art of recording that process of financial transactions. And then with Charman, accounting is a written experience that is used to take decisions made in a company. And the American Accounting Association, accounting is a process of identifying, recording, measuring, and financial reporting from an organization that is used as an information is economic decision making by those who need it. So far, Lumbar Accounting is a tool used as a business language where the information conveyed is only able to be understood if the accounting mechanism has been understood. Dr. M. Gates, accounting is applied as science and art of recording, which is carried out continuously according to the rules and its system. The processing and analysis of this record and can be arranged in the form of financial statement as a means of the accountability from the leadership of the company or institution for their work. Uh, the tree of the Minister of Finance, accounting is processing of gathering, analyzing, clarifying, recording, reporting, and summarizing financial transactions from an economic unit to provide financial information for those who need that information and is used for decision making. And then we run at all accounting is an information system that deposit or a project's financial reports to relate various parties or interest parties regarding the economic activities of a company. And then Arnold accounting is a system used to provide information, especially financial information, to anyone who needs information, especially on the decisions makers and controlling metrics. And then Rudianto. Accounting is an information system that deposits or products financial reports aimed at relates parties and in interest in economic activities and the conditions of certain business entities. And then the function of accounting, the main function of accounting is as a medium of information, especially financial information about an organization or company. Because from this information, an economics report can be obtained, where can find out the economic condition of an organization or business entity, and we can know the change that occur in the organization. Accounting can provide quantitative data information and in the form of money information about the financial condition of the organization or company is needed by decision makers in making economic policies of four parties within the organization of or parties outside the organization or business entity. Accounting can be a tool to explain about any conditions that occur in the company, especially relating to the company finance. It can be conclude there we are two kinds of information that can be given relate to the accounting process. The first is information about the company value, and then second is the information that explain the company profits and loss. uh, both of these information are useful for knowing how much profit or loss a company has in a given period. Knowing the company net profit after deduction of operation costs, knowing the amount of company capital and investment that the company can make in connection with company profits, finding additional capital for business expansions, calculating the amount of tax that must be paid by the company, providing information to stock market investor to be able to register the company shares is the stock market. And then marketing decisions for the company needs is in the future. In the accounting process, there are many important activities that are considered important. Let's rhyme about the main activities of the accounting process itself. And then main activities accounting. Here are the main activities of accounting. And then I identifying these activities is carried out by identifying our transaction in the company, and then recording this activity is carried. Okay, recording this activity is carried out by recording all transactions that occur careful, systematically, and sequentially. And then communicating. This activity is connected by the existence of an accounting statement. The information is in the form of the statement relating to finance that are used by our user of the company is financial statement or internal or external parties. Accounting itself has a very broad scope of knowledge. Accounting is used throughout the corporate transactions and in everyday human life. And then field of accounting. The field of accounting include financial accounting. This financial accounting include recording all transactions is the in the company without exceptions and making regular reports with these reports can provide important and useful information for compound company owners and investors who are interested in the company's performance. And then auditing accounting. The field of auditing accounting is accounting which includes the examination of financial statements through confidential accounting records. The accounting reports must be veritable, thorough, and independent auditor to produce a truthful and honest information. And then management accounting. A management accounting is an accounting file the use historical data and estimate data to help management plan the company operations in the future. Take accounting. Take accounting includes the calculation of all tax reports in providing solutions or considerations to the company in calculating the amount of tax. Budgeting accounting. The field of budgeting accounting is carried out to plan all financial activities or company budget net in a certain period and very profit for comparisons to the company to calculate the budget projections with operational costs that really must be spent by the company. A non-profit accounting for non-profit organization is carried out to record all activities of non-profit organizations such as social and religious organizations. And then cost accounting. This accounting has the duty to manage the use and determination of costs and to control these costs in an industrial company. And then accounting system. An accounting system is a technique or method used by recording and processing accounting data that is useful for obtaining good internal control, where internal control is meant by a system that has the ability to control by obtaining an organizational structure that defeats tax and all human resource war is proficient with healthy uh, practice. And then social accounting. Social accounting is the most recent file of the accounting and his understanding in with difficult to explain because social accounting improves public with welfare funds. And then importance of accounting in management decision making. Data reports, analytics, accurate information about assets, debts, liabilities, profits are needs when you want to enter in a business, and that is why accounting is important for any business activities. Management net accounting information. This accounting information is very essential for making a decision. Management cannot make a decision without reasonable information for backing it up. To make the decision. It has to be based on genuine facts and figure for making the decision at very level of management information crucial. Accounting profits management with information regarding the financial position of the business. Those are profit and loss costs and earning liabilities and assets at debts. It's why the importance of the accounting in business is very broad. Statistical data and information that accounting profits are very necessary for management to make the right decision recording financial transactions systematically in the books of accounting and finding out the profit loss and financial position of a business are the main objects of accounting. The main function of accounting are helping the ascertainment of profit loss and financial position interpretation and the analysis of accounts and judgment development of accounting system a collection of statistical and then economics data formulation of financial participating and financial planning and then controlling the result as per plan in the modern accounting is directly connected with financial management. The management is to depend on various accounting data and information for taking various decisions. It is due to entity concept and management joint stock company developments of communication and international business as scopes of business have so much expanded. And then accounting keeps the issue of the assets happening. Accounting also can improve production and profit control costs and help improve the efficiency of the overall management. And the management plays a very important role in the overall development of a business organization. Management has the functions, namely planning, organizing, concluding business elements, motivating, con- coordinating, controlling, and budgeting as a successful completion of this function of the main management depends on the efficient accounting system. Accounting is a continuous system that shows the financial position of business entity by identifying the economic event and recording, analysis, and presenting them. Accounting gives information about the economic and entities a financial position. And then importance of accounting in parts of business are described below. Importance of accounting in planning. Proper planning is necessary for the successful implementation of various management activities. This planning, cost planning, sales planning, procurement planning determine the quantity of stocks development planning, fixing of target profit apps are really on accounting data and information. And then accounting importance or in organization, accounting plays a very vital role in the proper execution of the important function of the management organization. Accounting help management organization by giving information like percentage of profit over the capital investment position management efficiency in controlling its accounting accounting importance for motivations. Labor employees are to be motivated for achieving expected performance. Financial reward is one of the main motivating factors of work. The management must know the financial position of the business for providing financial benefits. Accounting help management by giving necessary information for making proper decisions. And then accounting importance for coordination. One of the main function of management is to achieve the financial target of the business by coordinating various activities of different department. Accounting help in coordinating various activities of different departments of the business. It's also help the management in the adjustment of purchase with sales and expenditure with income, sales with the receivable realization as to a great extent. And then accounting important in control. The main functions of modern management are planning and controlling. Controlling is essential for the completion of activities according to the plan. Accounting can help management modes in control. Okay, and then accounting importance media of communications. Accounting plays a vital role as an is a media in communicating various information from different department, business, and the management plan of actions to various departments. For instance, in the modern age, accounting is regarded as the best media of communication in supplying information to management regarding purchase and stock, time of purchase, cost of purchase, and then sales price at. Besides, the function of accounting is to collect and provide information about the business to various interested parties. And then accounting importance in budgeting, the preparation of various budgets is essential to run the business successfully. The historical information which is needed in the preparations of the budget is supplied by accounting. And then accounting important in professional advice. An efficient and honest account help the management with valuable for professional advice for the development of its business in the modern age with the company's complexity of the business management has also become complex. In this aspect, the role of accounting is very important. The efficiency of management depends on the efficient use of accounting data and information. In the developed countries, accounts are regarded as efficient and successful managers. In the modern age, in big organizations, accountants are included in the management communicate. It can be cited that accounting and the management are independent. Accounting is an essential tool for management. Okay, thank you.